Thanda nowuok amodhi point 11-11 gi Umoja e kwota mokwongo kapok Umoja loyo Thanda kwota mar ariyo points 25-19. Thanda noloko tugo kendo yudo loch kwota mar adek points 26-12 kapok giloyo kwota mogik points 21-17.
I think you saw what happened. It was a tightly fought game. Both teams, I mean, they really wanted to win, and I mean, we came short, a bit disappointed, but it's sports. We gotta live with that.
I think we got caught up a little bit in the emotion of the game. You know, I don't want to make too many excuses, but I think we've had a very disjointed practice schedule. So this particular group of guys, in terms of building chemistry, hasn't actually had a lot of time together. I think we saw that.
Kinde ma piny Kenya ikore ne bago tuke mag WRC Safari Rally Championships, derepe ma pacho ka ni kama tek tokre miro sir moromo kowuok kapok tuke go chakore. Hamza Nwar ma en jaloch piem mag rawere tuke mag rally